Okay, as we always start, make sure we go to Classic, Reset Classic, just to make sure that everything's looking the same way that we're working with. We're going to click on ActionScript 3.0. What we're going to be doing in this session is we're going to be going through and learning how to use our shape tools and then also convert the shape tool to a symbol, and then once we've made that into a symbol, how to actually rotate it so it actually does a spin, and also how to make it bigger and smaller. Okay, so first things first, we've got our shape tool there for our polystar. So what we're going to do is click on our options. We're going to change it to star. We'll actually make it a 10 number of sides. So holding the Shift and Alt and from the center, can drag out our shape like that. Okay, what we're going to be doing is using our selection tool to select it all, and that's making sure it's all selected. We're now going to right hand mouse click and convert to symbol. Now we're going to make this a graphic, and we're going to call this our star, and our registration's right in the center there. That's really important for when we're actually getting it to spin. I'm going to click OK. So now when we go to our library here, you'll see that in our library we actually have the graphic called the star there. Okay, so we'll close that up. Now once this is selected, we're going to go to frame 12, insert a keyframe, and what we're going to do is right hand mouse click, and we're going to click on create classic tween. And now that that's selected there, what we're going to be looking at is we're going to see you've got on the side here where it's got rotate, CW, and it's going to say 1 time. So what you have now is that's actually spinning, okay, counterclockwise. I have it spinning in the right direction now, so you can see it's spinning there. They'll actually spin through once. Now what we're going to do is go to frame 24, insert keyframe. We're going to click on our transform tool. Now we're going to have this nice and small. In between here, create classic tween, and with the rotate we're going to have that 1 CW, and this time we're going to have it spin around twice. So what you have now is it spinning once, spinning really fast. Insert keyframe again, create classic tween. We're going to make it larger again, so holding the Shift key, make it large, and this time in between here, CCW, and this time we'll make it go really fast. So go to 5. So what will happen? We press enter, starts slow, gets smaller, and goes nice and fast. And so there you are. You've created a graphic, changed it into a symbol, and then actually made it rotate and made it go bigger and smaller as well.